4-story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats, ventilated seats. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2018 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.